Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how to fix a sign-in problem in Cash App. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you're unable to log in or sign in into your Cash App account, the first reason might be your incorrect login credential. You need to check and confirm that you've entered the correct login username and a password of your Cash App account. And the solution number 2 would be signing out of Cash App from all other devices that you're logged in. If your Cash App account is logged into multiple devices, first thing you need to make sure to log out of all the devices that you're currently logged in and then try login into your account. And you might be able to fix it. And for the solution number 3, what you can do is execute forgot password. If you already forgot which devices you have logged in before, then you can execute forgot password from the Cash App in your new device. Set a new password. Your Cash App will be automatically logged out of other devices that you're currently logged in, and then you can log in with your new password. For the solution number 4, what you can do is signing in and out too fast. If you have logged out recently and then without waiting for 20 to 30 minutes, it might be the reason why you're unable to sign into your device. So after you're logged out or after you're logged into your account, you need to wait for some time, and after that you can try login into your device. And for the solution number 5, if you're using public Wi-Fi or you're connected to your VPN, you need to connect to your secure Wi-Fi network, or you need to turn off your VPN. You need to make sure to get connected with a secure network. And for the solution number 6, you can change the date and time. In case you're in another state or country, choose the location where you are. Try to log in into your Cash App account following the time set of that particular country. If none of these seems to be working, then the last alternative would be deleting your Cash App application and then reinstalling it. After reinstalling your Cash App account, you need to re-log in into your device, and then you might be able to fix it. And those were the method on how you can fix unable to sign in error in Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.